Welcome to all free big tutorials.
Today, I am going to show you how to create vector star logo design in Adobe Illustrator. Please watch entire tutorial. Star tool. Select star tool and click on artboard. Radius 1 260 pixel. Radius 2 100 pixel. Points 5. Select star shape and go to object menu and path and offset path. Offset 20 pixel. Joins meter. Meter limit 4. Select insert star shape and go to object menu and path and offset path. Offset minus 20 pixel. R 200 G 30 B 40. R 250 G 35 B 45. White color R 255 G 255 B 255. Line segment tool. Copy Ctrl C and paste and print Ctrl F. Direct selection tool shortcut A. Shape builder tool Shift M. Use shape builder tool to divide shapes. Select shapes and click on shape using with shape builder tool. Eyedropper tool. Use eyedropper tool to pick color. Select shapes and go to edit menu and clear or delete. Swap fill and stroke Shift X. Select shape and lock Ctrl 2. Set the shapes over the star outline shape. Copy Ctrl C and paste and print Ctrl F. Double click on rotate tool. Angle minus 72 degree. Unlock Alt Control 2. Select shape backside star shape. Go to Object menu and Path and Offset Path. Offset 20 pixel. Delete. Use eyedropper tool to pick color. Swap fill and stroke shift text. Stroke color R200, G30, P40. Stroke weight 6 point. Finally, your star logo design is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create vector logo design in Adobe Illustrator.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.